Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder EAS&Weather here with your Day 2 severe weather outlook. I did not know if I was going to be able to have the Day 2 outlook today since I'm waiting for, a party soon, but since the SPC evidently updated the Day 2 outlook earlier than usual, I'm going to do the video now. So anyway, first we have a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses Northern Virginia, the Panhandle of West Virginia, Washington, D.C., most of Maryland, all of Delaware, central and southern New Jersey, and south central and southeastern Pennsylvania, including my area. Cities in tomorrow's slight include Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., Arlington, Virginia, and Alexandria, Virginia. There are two marginals for tomorrow, one covering eastern New Mexico, parts of the Oklahoma Panhandle, southwestern Oklahoma, parts of Texas, the Texas Panhandle, most of Louisiana, southern Arkansas, most of Mississippi, northwestern half of Alabama, northern Georgia, northwestern South Carolina, the western half of North Carolina, most of Tennessee, eastern Kentucky, southeastern Ohio, southern Virginia, most of West Virginia, the western part of the Maryland Panhandle, parts of Pennsylvania, northern New Jersey, and southeastern New York State, including New York City and Long Island. Another marginal tomorrow covers a little bit of Idaho, parts of Montana, and parts of North Dakota. Cities in tomorrow's marginals include New York, Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Charlotte, North Carolina, and Nashville, Tennessee. Going to tomorrow's tornado threat, there is no tornado threat for tomorrow. There is no tornado threat for tomorrow, so that's good news. Going to the wind, there is a 30% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow, covering a little bit of the Panhandle, West Virginia, North Central Virginia, Washington, D.C., parts of Maryland, most of Delaware, southwestern New Jersey, and south central and southeastern Pennsylvania. Cities in the 30% wind risk area tomorrow include Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., Arlington, Virginia, and Alexandria, Virginia. There is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow, covering parts of central Virginia, the central part of the Panhandle of West Virginia, a little bit of the Panhandle of Maryland, southeastern Delaware, parts of New Jersey, and parts of Pennsylvania, including my area. The 15% wind risk area tomorrow includes Toms River, New Jersey, Allentown, Pennsylvania, Trenton, New Jersey, Bethlehem, Pennsylvania, and Cherry Hill, New Jersey. There are two areas where we have 5% wind risk areas for tomorrow. One covering eastern New Mexico, parts of the Oklahoma Panhandle, southern Oklahoma, parts of Texas, most of Louisiana, southern Arkansas, most of Mississippi, northern half of Alabama, northern Georgia, northern South Carolina, western half of North Carolina, most of Tennessee, eastern Kentucky, southern Virginia, most of West Virginia, the western part of the Panhandle of Maryland, southeastern Ohio, parts of Pennsylvania, northern New Jersey, and southeastern New York State, including New York City and Long Island. And another 5% tomorrow covers a little bit of Idaho, parts of Montana, and parts of North Dakota. The 5% wind risk areas tomorrow include New York, Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Charlotte, North Carolina, and Nashville, Tennessee. Now for tomorrow's hail threat, there are two areas where we have 5% hail risk areas for tomorrow. One covering North Central Virginia, the Panhandle of West Virginia, Washington, D.C., parts of Maryland, northern Delaware, southern Pennsylvania, and southwestern New Jersey. The second 5% tomorrow covers North Central and North Dakota. The 5% hail risk areas tomorrow include Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., Arlington, Virginia, and Alexandria, Virginia. Alright, so in summary, scattered wind damage is possible with thunderstorms across the Mid-Atlantic Sunday afternoon and evening. Isolated strong storms are also possible across Montana and western North Dakota and portions of the southern plains to the Tennessee Valley. So, that's your Day 2 severe weather outlook. Stay safe and affect areas tomorrow. stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, whether you're in the slight or the marginal, since you never know what slight and marginal can pull off. Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I'll go over all of this again in tomorrow's Day 1 Severe Weather Outlook video. Take care.